In this video, we are going to take a look at 10 useful keyboard shortcuts. Number 1. Windows key plus E opens the File Explorer. Number 2. Windows key plus print screen takes a screenshot of your screen and places it in your Pictures folder. Number 3. Windows key plus I brings up the settings box. Number 4. Control plus Z is to undo an action. This is useful if you want to take a step back in a document or in Photoshop. And Control plus Y does the opposite and will redo an action. Number 5. Control A. This will highlight all text in a document or highlight all files in File Explorer. Number 6. Windows key plus down arrow will minimize a window. Sometimes this will shrink the window size, and if you press again will minimize. It depends on the program. Windows key plus up arrow will do the opposite. Number 7. Pressing F11 in a browser like Edge or Chrome will make it full screen. This may also work for some other programs too. Number 8. This one is for gamers. Press the Windows key and G will open up the gaming bar. Pressing again will close it. Number 9. Holding down Alt and tapping on the Tab key will bring up a screen where you can switch from open windows in the background. Just keep pressing Tab while holding Alt to select the window to switch. Number 10. If you press the Windows key and D, it will show the desktop. I hope you found this video useful and learnt something new. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content and share.